What's up, everybody? We're here at the Tesla Service Center, East Sahara. I'm looking for my performance Model 3 Ludicrous. If you guys saw that last video, I got a VIN last night, black and white interior. Just kind of want to show you around here. By the way, I already found it. I already got the keys. Check out this Cybertruck, beautiful. And they are doing some deliveries today. Looks like they're bringing me the keys right now. Got the keys? Oh no. Okay, cool. And have a look. This is the 2024 Model 3 Performance Ludicrous. I've already kind of gone around it and checked all the panel gaps. Looks pretty nice and tight. Now, one thing I did have from delivery was a little bit of a sanding mark here. They had to, I guess it was a paint issue they had to buff out. They buffed it a little on the front as well. But if you know me, you know how I feel about Tesla service. You take it in once, it comes out even worse. So I will take it. All the panel gaps are lining up beautifully. I think I'm gonna do a panel gaps video, standalone. That Model 3 wing, Ludicrous badge, the Valance, so gorgeous. Give you a quick peek inside. White interior. And the question is, I know we got the new UI, so we are set, but what version of software are we on? So currently we're on 14.100.1, 12.3.6. It does come with 30-day free trial. Let's see if we can turn this on. So go into autopilot, turn on the auto, beta. Let's do navigate on autopilot. I don't think I have the full self-driving yet. Turn on speed camera chimes. I don't know if I've seen any of those.
I couldn't find it, but... Is it okay if I open that? I don't see them. Let me check in the back one more time. 95. Let me check, okay? I'll be right back.
One thing I want to say is the doors shut amazing. They were checking for the keys, but they can't find my keys. I already got the phone key paired, but let's go back in and see if we can change it, the autopilot settings. So here's the thing though. I have a software update. Where is it? I want to say I have a pending update right here at the top, but the thing is I'm not going to update it here at Tesla or else be stuck here all night. I don't think. 4 miles on the clock. Can't turn on the autopilot beta. Oh, I went for the stock to press park just to make sure it was in park, but we were not in park. So we're definitely in park, I think. We're on Tesla Wi-Fi, 105 degrees. What is going on here? So this is Ludicrous. I'm so stoked. What do you guys think? Looks like got a little dirty there. All right, so this is the delivery video here at Tesla Service off East Sahara. I am so stoked. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day.